Every great teacher has a vision to inspire, to create, to stand apart. But what if the tools you use are holding you back? What if you're still building someone else's brand instead of your own? We're here to change that. This isn't just another platform, it's a fundamental shift in how you operate. We've built a powerful, elegant, and seamless online portal for 11 plus creative writing. And here's the key. It's yours with your name and your logo. As a tutor, your brand is your promise. But scaling your business while maintaining a personal touch can be a challenge. What if you had an AI partner that could amplify your brand and automate your workflow? Welcome to your own AI-powered portal, customized here for our partner, JK Tuition. It's your brand, front and center. Your logo in the header, your name, your contact details, and your unique identity in the footer. Every student who logs in sees you, not us. You have complete control to manage your entire learning community. Effortlessly add new users, organize your student lists, and manage their access, all from one central dashboard. It's a powerful hub designed to help you build and scale your tutoring business with ease. And we've designed it to make your life easier. With the integrated homework portal, the admin can create and assign custom writing tasks in just a few clicks. Your students then log into your branded portal to complete and submit their work. The magic happens the moment a student submits their homework. The portal's AI instantly analyzes the essay and provides detailed, constructive feedback automatically, acting as a tireless teaching assistant. And the final comprehensive report is professionally formatted and ready to download with your header and footer, reinforcing your brand's commitment to excellence with every single submission. Stop building someone else's brand. It's time to build your legacy. This is more than a tool, it's your platform. Visit creativewriting11plus.com, discover our partner programs, and start amplifying your vision today.